Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Miata wink. First, understand that Miata pop-up headlights operate using individual motors. Each motor has a control unit that manages its full extension and retraction. Knowing this basic setup is crucial for modifying their behavior. We'll be focusing on how to temporarily interrupt or modify the signal to one of these motors. This allows for that classic, playful half-open look. It's a fun modification that adds character to your car. Before starting, gather your tools. You'll need a multimeter to test wires, wire strippers, and possibly a soldering iron or crimping tool. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your car's battery before working with electrical components. Next, locate the headlight motors, typically found under the headlight assemblies. Each motor has a wiring harness. Identifying the power wires is your next critical step for a successful wink modification. Now for the wiring. You'll connect a momentary switch into the power circuit of one headlight motor. This switch will allow you to briefly cut power, causing the headlight to partially retract. After wiring, test the switch to ensure the headlight moves as intended. You might need to experiment with how long you press the switch to achieve the perfect wink height. The goal is a smooth, controlled movement, not a jerky one. Once you've mastered the basic wink, you can explore further customization. You can also explore advanced options, like sequential winking, where one headlight winks after the other. Consider adding a dedicated control module for more precise and repeatable actions, offering consistent results every time. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below. This simple modification adds so much character. Enjoy showing off your Miata's unique personality with this fun, custom touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.